How to find your kitchen style before you remodel. It happens at times that you look around your familiar kitchen and get the feeling that you would like to make some changes, but you are not sure what. Maybe it is just that you want it to be spruced up, maybe a little remodeling, or maybe you feel it is proving a bit small for the growing family. If you feel like making some changes but are not sure about them, why not flip through magazines or visit a kitchen and bath center? You'll get useful remodeling ideas there, and through the process you'll learn about your style likes and dislikes. You may realize that probably changing some fixtures or relocating things for a new look or just a coat of paints would make a refreshing change that brings new life into your kitchen. Or maybe it is something more involved than that. Maybe you are finding the kitchen a bit cramped for the growing family and would like to increase the space by kitchen remodeling, and you are uneasy because you don't know how that could be done and whether it will cost too much. Talk with friends who have gone through similar kitchen remodeling, or at least have the layout you want, and see if they like or dislike it. Consulting with carpenters and others may show that by taking out the wall between kitchen and dining room may solve your problem, and might be relatively simple, if it's not a load-bearing wall.